My name is Andrew Richards, Manager of Sport Development for the Kansas City Royals. The Sport Development team falls under baseball operations and oversees the Royals Amateur Development Complex, or RAD Complex, which we're here today. I work with Titan on the security for this complex and all the needs that come along with that. We're looking into the drone security just to get a different perspective from the complex, the security needs. Currently, we have nightly checks by the patrol officers of Titan, and we have cameras mounted around the complex. But this will give us a little more of a holistic view of the complex and areas that aren't covered by cameras. I was intrigued with just the visibility that the drone can have. So we're very intrigued with what happens along the tree line throughout the night. People jump the fences when officers aren't here. The camera seems very clear. You can zoom in from far away. If it's up against our tree line, it can actually see into the middle of the complex, or if it's on the other side of the complex, it can detect thermal across in the tree line. And then just the ability, if there is somebody on the premises, it's able to speak, tell that individual to leave the premises because the police are on their way. There's a level of safety that comes along with it that we're very happy about. The evolution of trying to have top-tier security at this complex as we have visitors coming out throughout the year. We want to make sure they feel safe when they're on the premises, and Titan's providing that.